War day number 924. Yes, 924 days ago, the war started in Ukraine and everything has been changed in the world. Welcome today in the daily newspaper of Wednesday, September the 4th, 2024. We have here 3 regular puzzles. 2 of them I've already solved, the 3 stars and the 4 stars Sudoku. So 1 puzzle is left for the boys and girls, the binary puzzle. In today's newspaper, we have also an additional with extra puzzles, 7 extra puzzles. 4 of them I will solve not now but in the evening. Now I will continue with this third regular puzzle, the binary puzzle number 9209. And before I start, I always count the printed digits. This one has 26 printed digits. What kind of binary puzzle is this one? Let me count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 10 by 10 binary puzzle. That means in a row or in a column, there are always 5 O's and 5 1s. Alright, so let's get started. Double 1, here no, there no. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 O's. So the rest are 1s. Then double 1, here no, there no. Double O, here 1, there 1. 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 Double 1, here no, there no. Double O, here 1, there 1. Double O, here 1, there 1. Between the ones comes an O. Between the ones comes an O. Between two O's comes an 1. Double 1, here no, there no. Double O, here 1, there 1. Double 1, here no, there no. Double O, here 1, there 1. Between two ones comes an O. Between two ones comes an O. Between two O's comes an 1. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 1. So the rest are O's. Then between two ones comes an O. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 1. So the rest are O's. Double O, here 1, there 1. Between two O's comes an 1. Then between the ones comes an O. 1, 2, 3, 4. Come on. Here we have 4 O's. If I place number 5 there, the 5th O, then we have 3 1s in a row in the last row. Not allowed, one of the rules, so this can be an O, this should be a 1. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 1. So the rest are O's. Between the O's comes an 1. 1, 2, 3, 4. If I place number 5 here, then we have 3 1s in a row in this row. Not allowed, one of the rules, so this can be no, this should be a 1. Double 1, here no, there no. Between the O's comes in 1. Double 1, here no, there no. Double O, here 1, there 1. Between the O's comes in 1. Double 1, here no, there no. Double O, here 1, there 1. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 1. So the rest are O's. Double O, here 1, there 1. Between the ones comes an O. Between the O's comes an 1. And now I need to think. 1, 2, 3, 4. I know between the 1 and an O with 2 empty boxes between there's always an O and a 1 there, but I do not know in which order. So we have the first one, second one, third one, fourth one, fifth one. So that box should be an O. Between the O's comes an 1. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4. Double 1, here no, there no. Between two O's comes in 1. Double 1, here no, there no. Between two O's comes in 1. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 1. So the rest are O's. Come on. 1, 2, 3, 4 1s. And I know between a 1 and an O with 2 empty boxes between there's always an O and a 1 there, but I do not know in which order. So we have the first one, second one, third one, fourth one, fifth one. That box should be an O. Double O, here 1, there 1. Between the ones comes an O. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Well, time for comparing, I believe. Well. well, question is, which row, which column? Well, maybe here. No, this is not the same. This is not the same. Okay. Cannot compare this one. Maybe this one. 0001. 0001. 01. Alright, this row. And the last row. Let me compare. 00011100110011. Empty box. Empty box 11. So we need to switch those two digits. We have a 1 here, this should be an O. We have an O here, this should be a 1. Alright, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 1. So the rest are O's. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 O's. So the rest are 1s. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, need to compare again. Well, 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay. Double O. This one. And the same one here. Well, sorry. 1 empty box. Empty box 1 1 0 0 1 1 1 1. So we need to switch these two digits. We have a 1 here, this should be no. We have a O here, this should be a 1. Double 1, here no, there no. Double O, here 1, there 1. Finish in 7 minutes. Wow, we solve it again, and I like this one here, so we really do think so. Thumbs up, otherwise thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so I can make it or solve myself. Thank you again for watching, and we will meet again in the evening with the other 4 puzzles. So have a great and fantastic Wednesday. Until then, bye bye for now.